Hello guys, welcome back to Wale Review, and today we're reviewing Boruto manga chapter 53, and this is the second chapter manga that Kishimoto has written now, and he'll be the one writing it from now on. Everybody, I think we all know why is that. Actually, chapter name is That Reality. It was really insane. I really enjoyed it a lot, and also I just reviewed the anime, and I told you guys that Amado look a lot like Asuma, and his design is quite different from the one in the manga. That's what I think. I think the design, they are really different. They look like two different people. Let me just put it like that. This chapter started from where we ended last week, and it was Kawaki in the battlefield. Everybody was really surprised. Why was Kawaki in the battlefield? But we already know why he is there. Ishiki used Naruto's hand connected to Kawaki to bring him there, which was really insane. Now Kawaki has to escape from him. Naruto told Kawaki to run, but while Naruto was telling him to run, Ishiki punched him to the floor and his balance mode disappeared. So now Naruto has lost his balance mode. And then when Kawaki was trying to run away, Ishiki grabbed him by the neck, and when he was trying to implant the camera on him, then we saw Sasuke using his Rinnegan abilities to exchange plays between him and Kawaki. So instead of Ishiki to be holding Kawaki, he was holding Sasuke. He was really pissed, so he smashed Sasuke to the floor, and Sasuke told Kawaki to throw the smoke screen that he dropped on the floor, to throw it. Then he threw it and he proceeded to run away. But Ishiki was not bothered because he has the Byakugan. So he was trying to say it is useless because of the Byakugan. I can see you into no matter the smoke screen, no matter the smoke screen you throw. As was when Sasuke revealed to him that it was not that type of smoke screen, it was one that is going to cover his cosplay. It doesn't matter the type of eye he used. He was really pissed. He was shouting, Kawaki, Kawaki. When he could not get him, he went back to attack Naruto, punch him to the ground. Poof! At first I thought Naruto died. So you can see my reaction. Jeez. I thought he died, but fortunately he didn't die. He said, Kawaki, if you don't come here right now, I'll make sure to rip Naruto's apart and open him up. But Kawaki was having none of that. He was really pissed, so he was remembering a flashback how Jigen treated him and how Naruto treated him. It was two different ways. He doesn't want to lose Naruto. And when we saw Jigen, we saw that he is designed to. He's like a complete different person from the anime. He's already honest for him. You guys see the Jigen here? Jigen here is different from the one in the manga. In the anime. Look at that face. Very different. Prepared to be punished Kawaki. I think I saw that. It was really different. So I think when you put Jigen in the anime here and the one in the manga here, you can see that they are not the same. They are really different. So I don't know why it is like that. I don't know why. So then Ishiki gave Kawaki an ultimatum and gave him 10 seconds to reveal himself unless he kills Naruto. Kawaki was thinking about him and Naruto, and Naruto trained him, took him as a student and took him as his son. Then he went back, and while going back he did a jutsu, the shadow clone jutsu. Then before we know, just see Ishiki grab him, started laughing. You thought you can escape from me, but no, I won at last. Then he implanted the Kamasi on Kawaki, and everybody thought the hope was lost. Sasuke said, idiot, you should have run away. I added that. And Naruto was really pissed. He was not happy. Everybody thought Kawaki has been implanted with the Kamasi. Even me too, I thought he has been implanted with the Kamasi. Then we saw Ishiki breaking it little by little, but he was still laughing. I won. I implanted him with the Kama. I won. Then we saw the Kama started peeling off. Ishiki was surprised. What? What just happened? I thought that I implanted him with the Kama. What is happening? That's what I told him. Shadow clone jutsu. That's what I use. But you are not a ninja. You can't play ninja. Before, Ishiki have told him that he's not a ninja, that he can't play ninja. But now, he showed Ishiki that he is a ninja and he can play the ninja. And when we saw the shadow clone came out from heading, but Ishiki is already weak. He can't get to play him. To apply the Kawaki, then his life form started disappearing. He finally disappeared. Then Kawaki told Naruto that he was not really good, but he managed to pull it off. That was where we saw everybody asking how Naruto is. That the form he used a lot of power. Hope nothing is going to happen to him. He's going to be okay. But Naruto was trying to dodge the quote and come, no, Naruto sacrifice. He might die. But me, I still believe he's not going to die. He's always going to have Three-of-Six-Pack disease. But he's not going to die. But he's still trying to evade the question. When he was evading the question, that was when we saw from nowhere Boruto doing the Neo with a knife in his hand. Then the next thing we saw, his Sasuke's eyes. What the fuck? This is my reaction.
What? That's bullshit. Momoshiki has woken up. Oh. Is it his Rinnegan or what? This is Rinnegan.
As you guys can see in my shot, he pierced him the knife in his eye, in his Rinnegan eye. It was really insane, man. I really don't know what happened then. So that Momoshiki has taken over Boruto. Then he said, "You piece of shit. I can't believe you took Ishiki out. Now you are the only one left. I am going to take you out with knife in his hand." That was where the episode ended. Sasuke just lost his Rinnegan, which is insane. How is he going to get it back? This is getting more and more insane. Don't know what is going to happen now. But then now it's both going to fight Sasuke and Naruto now because it's no match for them. Even though Momoshiki has taken over, it's not really that powerful to take out both Naruto and Sasuke. That is, if Naruto is not weak, because I think Naruto will be very, very weak now. I don't think he can use any more of his power again. But how is Kawaki going to get his cameraman back? Is Momoshiki going to be planting on him? I'm really not sure. I really don't know what is going to happen now because it is really confusing at this point. But what did I think of the chapter? The chapter is insane. I enjoyed the chapter a lot and a lot of plot twists. I didn't know that this is going to end, but I'm really looking forward to the next chapter. It is really, really insane, man. I really enjoyed it a lot. So guys, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, comment and subscribe. And remember guys, stay safe and stay healthy. Peace.